The GT350 in 2015 was the first Mustang that came with an active exhaust, where you had a switch on the dash. You can actually open up valves and make the car much, much louder. Now, the difference between the 350 and 350R is the resonator. Well, the 350 has a resonator on it, the R doesn't, which allows you to hear the 5.2 even better. Well, a great upgrade for 350 is to get rid of that factory resonator and put something a little bit better in place. So today we're going to install Corsa's double X pipe on this 2016 GT350. This Corsa Resonator Elite X pipe is going to fit your 2015 through 2019 GT350 and is the industry's first double X. Now, this is made of 304 stainless steel, fully mandrel-bent 3-inch pipe, and is made right here in the USA. It'll be a direct replacement for your factory resonator, will require cutting for installation. For this installation, with a lift and a pole jack or a jack and jack stands, half-inch ratchet or impact gun, 15mm socket, file, tape measure, marker, sawzall or cutter, and safety glasses. Like I said, to install the Corsa X pipe, you are going to have to cut. Now, it is one of the longest X pipes I've ever seen for an S550 chassis. It's going to come all the way back here, almost to the rear hanger for your tailpipes. We're going to decide where to cut. You go to this heat shield right here, put your tape measure, follow the curves with the tape measure, and you go 14¼ inches, and that's where you're going to cut. Okay, we're going to loosen these clamps and remove our stock X pipe. Okay, now we're going to install the adapters. Go from the stock pipes to the 3-inch. Just snugging these up for now. Okay, before we install the pipe, we're going to deburr our cuts. All right, now we're going to put the X pipe into place. Make sure you put the clamps in an orientation you can get to them. Use our jack just to hold it in place for now. All right, we're going to snug these down. Okay, we're ready to connect the intermediate pipe. Now you want to put the smaller clamp on the back, larger clamp on the front, make sure the orientation where we can reach it. What we're going to do is start sliding this onto the factory tailpipe. Basically going to slide it till it bottoms out. And you're sort of going to turn it. And slide this forward until that bottoms out and snug up the clamp. What you want to do now is kind of lift the X pipe up with a jack and make sure the tailpipes are centered, the X pipe is as flush to the body and tight as possible, and then tighten down the clamps. Okay, once everything's adjusted and tight, your installation's finished. All right, our Corsa double X pipe fit great. Now let's hear how it sounds. We're going to start it off. It'll have the valves closed, and then we'll open them. This is closed. Definitely can hear a difference there. Let's try it open. can I say besides, damn, does that sound good? I mean, that's how every 350 should sound from the factory. You can really hear that flat plane crank sound by taking the resonators out. I mean, there's obviously a reason they do it on the R, and it sounds great on every normal GT350 as well. The installation is pretty straightforward. It's a typical resonator delete for the most part. Figure about an hour to an hour and a half, and back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.